Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast. SOS.com. Bolivia has just green-lighted paving 190 miles of the Amazon rainforest, home to unsurpassed biological diversity, climate stabilizer trees, and thousands of indigenous peoples. Once animals and indigenous peoples lose their homes, the Amazon jungle, they die. President Evo Morales, once a friend of nature, is a turncoat. Like so many other government leaders, show me the money, baby. Corruption spreads quickly, especially for the few countries that still have ancient forests, which now cover less than 15% of Earth's surface. That paved road opens the forest up to poachers. One report predicts that 64% of the remaining surrounding forests on either side of the highway will be logged within 15 years or less. Hashtag shame on Evo Morales. He's a planet killer. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life. The wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.